Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here today for the Scrap Room to share with you this layout created using the Wrapped in Ribbons collection from Vicki Boutin. So if you subscribe, you will get 3 sheets of pattern paper, which I am showing you now, as well as 2 pieces of black cardstock. And if you subscribe to the add-ons, the pattern paper is 2 pieces, and these are the pattern papers, and that is the ephemera add-on, which are the enamel pieces. I also showed you in the very beginning the ephemera, which is some foam thickers, which varies. Some chipboard pieces also varies, as well as a mixture of the ephemera and specialty ephemera pieces as well. So I am going to create a multi-layered border or frame for that piece of pattern paper that has the Christmas tree around it. And so I want that plaid as the background, then a thin layer of the black, and then I will trim down the tree page to also work with as my background. I gutted the plaid piece because I really like that, and this Vicki Boutin collection was really hard to come by, and so the more I have, the merrier. You can see I did some very bad math and calculation there, and so I am going to need to retrim this. So I love the way that the small thin black frame really pops the black that is in that faux stitched Christmas tree. So in many ways this is a very simple layout. It looks very simple, because the work has already been done for me. Thank you very much, Vicki. She did some mixed media background behind that tree. She cut up all of the pattern papers to create strips and then sewed them down, and did some more mixed media by splattering all that paint there. Isn't that great? And so I don't have to do a whole lot of work to get a very effective looking Christmas layout. So this photo I converted to black and white because there was so much competition of color if I didn't. And the color is not important. You can see that it's a Christmas tree. And that is my daughter after decking the halls, napping under the tree with her cat. And this cat, for those of you that follow my work, is Belly Girl. That's the black and white cat. So the cat that we had before the 2 that we have currently. So I am going back a little bit in time. In fact, the date on this is December 2nd, 2018. So yeah, going back about 6 years. So there's lots of decor on the tree already, but I just want to supplement it, personalize it, make it my own. So I'm putting the star piece that I have from the ephemera, even though there's already a star there. I just like the gold that's in the gold foil that's in the star. I'm putting a bow. And then you can see that I have that banner that says December documented. I just wanted to pull a little more of that tealy color into the page there. So I have backed the photo with something that provides, again, contrast. I like the way that the frame around the photo sort of reflects the frame around the page. I have a chipboard tag up the top there. I'm going to create, I want 3 tags, so I'm going to create my own tag out of a piece of the pattern paper that complements the photo. So again, tying those colors into the collection. And then I also have that foam tag there. And they're all just going to fill that white space at the top there, but it's not completely fill it, because if you know me, I like my white space. I don't like everything to be completely full. And I really love this title here that says Sparkle and Shine. I love the way that the yellow complements the craft that is in the left-hand side there. They're of the same hue and depth. And that provides a little bit of a title. Although honestly, even though Sparkle and Shine is bigger, I'm going with that Quiet Time chipboard piece at the bottom more as the title of my layout. Not that it really matters, because both could serve. But you can see from the napping process, right, in progress, that is probably more relevant to the storytelling than Sparkle and Shine is. So replacing that star there, And then using that chipboard bow again for some dimension to the page, and then pulling over those tails, one of the tails of the star, just again for some variation in depth and some movement on the page. I'm going to link together the chipboard tag as well as the tag that I made, and then because the foam doesn't have a hole in it, and I don't like sticking sticky things in my hole punch. It just becomes too gummy and messed up, so I didn't punch the hole in that, and that's the reason why for that. And then we'll just go ahead and adhere the extra up the top there. I could have left it hanging off of the page, but I find that those things get stuck when you're shelving and then pull and rip the page, and just better to anchor it. Oh, there is a hole in it, but I actually am going to cover that with the red bow because I have just a few hints of red scattered around the page. There is red in that pattern paper that I made that tag with the scalloped edge on, and so I needed just a little bit more red so that it didn't look like it was odd and left out. So that, my friends, wraps it up. This is a layout for the Scrap Room, which is a kit club. There are one-offs available, so if that's something that interests you, be sure to follow the link in the description box down below. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.